I'm pretty sure that you're still struggling with your writing task 2 essay, but don't worry. I'm up with a very detailed and a very informative video on how to write your essay step by step in order to ace this module. So the question says homelessness is increasing in many major cities around the world. What do you think are the main causes? So here we have to discuss the causes along with the solutions. They're asking for the solutions. What measures could be taken to solve the problem? So the first thing is to plan the essay. Here I'll roughly write all the causes and the solutions that I will be mentioning in my paragraph. So the first one is overpopulation and then economic instability. The last one would be the inadequacy of the affordable housing. Now talking about the solutions, just take care of one thing. The solutions or the remedial measures that you will be mentioning must align with the causes that you've written above. For example, my first cause is overpopulation. So to that regard, my first solution will also be the population management strategies. Next is the reevaluation of wage policy that will be aiming at the affordable housing option. The introduction paragraph, the first thing to do is to paraphrase the statement of the question. Here we've written the phenomenon of homelessness has seen a substantial increase owing to means because of a multitude of interlinked factors. What are the factors? You have to describe the factors, just give a hint. For example, the economic instability, overpopulation, the scarcity of affordable housing, among others, and then write a detailed thesis that this essay will discuss the causes in detail along with the solutions. Now moving on to your body paragraph 1. For body paragraph 1, make sure to add a connector. Here we've added one of the predominant factors contributing to homelessness is overpopulation in city centers, and then make sure to add the relatable vocabulary. Here we've written this trend leads to unsustainable influx of residents, means a large number of residents are entering. For instance, cities such as Toronto and New York have experienced significant population surges resulting in intensified competition. Furthermore, a noticeable divide exists between the wealthy individuals and those below the poverty line. Comes the solution paragraph. Make sure to add a connector here as well. So to effectively address this issue, such as by promoting urban decentralization, which will alleviate means to reduce the pressure on metropolitan areas by encouraging individuals to locate in less populated regions. Additionally, a reassessment of wage policies, which will be aiming at providing financial assistance. And then for your last and in your conclusion paragraph, to add a connector in conclusion, and then just paraphrase everything and sum up everything that you've written. Do not add any new point. Here we've written overcrowding and economic disparity are the leading contributors. However, by exploring and instituting potential remedial measures, this can be solved. Now we'll let ChatGPT to score us on the basis of this writing. So I copy pasted the entire paragraph just to check what AI has to tell. So let's wait for the overall band scores. Okay, so it says it's a good 9 band scores. In detail, task response 9, coherence and cohesion 9, lexical resources 8.5, grammatical range 9. So that's how you write a perfect 9 band essay.